Okay.
Against defense, you pretty much invited it.
I did.
Okay, so recap. What is going on?
Okay, well, it's cicada mating season, and one flew into my apartment.
How did that happen, Blake?
I let it in because you looked terrified of it.
Oh, okay. Well, obviously that's the good thing to do.
Oh, it moved. Where is it?
It went around that way.
Alright.
You see it?
You know, this is how. You know, this is how movies like Paranormal Activity start. And then the lights go out.
Oh god, it's crawling underneath my magazines.
What is it?
Shake the magazine thing. Okay, I know what'll make things way more entertaining.
What?
I have a fly swatter. Keep an eye on it. I can see it right here. You can see it as well. Let me know if it.
Get it, John.
I got it.
John got it.
You got
it's freaking out.
Oh, you got it.
What? I'm coming.
You put the cup over it?
Yeah.
Awesome.
It's freaking out.
Tight shot.
Mardi Gras.
I see it. Oh!
All right.
Oh!
Now the lid. We slowly slide the lid underneath. I will take control from here.
All right.
Because I don't want you to lift that thing up too high and then it flies in my face.
Do it, John. Do it.
You remind me of the eldest kid of Horniker, Dr. Horniker.
Oh yeah.
Bug Wars.
What is it?
Is it dead?
No, it's just playing dead or something.
Do it quick like a band-aid.
Well, the problem is,
You wanted to get pissed off. That's the
and then
thing.
jump up there, and then I can.
Well, here, let me rattle her up. Oh God!
I have that on video.
Oh, there it is. Okay.
Oh.
Ah! All right, get the cup. All right. You want to be the cupper again? Oh.
I had it on top of it.
All right.
I got it.
All right. And the lid.
It's right here.
Okay.
Ah. Just don't rattle her up.
It's like freak out. Check.
Maybe you start nudging it, it'll probably freak out. Start angling it, maybe it'll start going up the side.
There we go.
Oh, well done, sir. She's a feisty one.
God!
There it is.
Oh, I got it.
Cicada, all right. God.
Wow, she's nasty.
Now to the microwave. No. Kaboom. Alright, now what I'm going to do, I usually just kind of carefully and discreetly do this to set things free, but I have a feeling
That's not going to happen so well.
Alright, let's relocate outside. How are you wings, sweetheart? You are ugly. Okay, now let's go across the parking lot.
The question is, how many are you going to let in when you...
I don't have any more.
Don't worry, I'll be right behind you in case they come in, ready to...
Ah, here she goes again.
Boom! This'll make her docile.
Oh, alright. Okay, well, I'm not going to let it go right outside the door, so come follow me.
Oh, does this have a... Does this have a light?